Dear students of class 11, welcome to the online class. How are you? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, I am Raghunath Bunik, Assistant Professor, Department of Statistics, Milestone College. Dear students, today I will discuss the comprehensive question of chapter 3, Statistics first paper. It is our revision class. Dear students, previous class I will discuss a creative question. Let's start our class. At first I will read the creative question, comprehension question. Number 1, the sum of the division of a set of values from their mean is 0. Explain. Let the variable x having n values x1, x2, x3 dot dot xn. We know arithmetic mean x bar equal to summation xi by n. You have to know the formula. That cross multiplication summation xi equal to nx bar. Now we have to find the sum total of the deviation of n set of values from the mean equal to that is summation xi minus x bar. We have to write xi means x1, x2, x3 dot dot xn. So first term is x1 minus x bar summation, that means plus x2 minus x bar plus x3 minus x bar dot dot plus xn minus x bar. We arrange the next x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus dot dot xn minus x bar minus x bar minus x bar minus x bar minus common x bar plus x bar plus x bar plus dot dot x bar. We have to write the x1, x2, x3 dot dot xn equal to summation xi and in term x bar, here x1 x bar dot dot x bar, that means in term x bar, that is nx bar, and summation xi equal to nx bar minus x bar equal to 0. So I have to write the sum total of the division of a set of values from their mean is 0. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood. Next question. When question number 2, arithmetic mean depends on depends on origin and scale. Origin and scale. Explain. Answer. Let x having n values. Observation. Let the variables n having x having n values x1, x2, x3 dot dot xn. Okay, at first we have to we know arithmetic mean equal to arithmetic mean m x bar equal to summation xi by n, I equal to 1 to n. We have to write, suppose the new variable ui equal to xi minus a by c. Here a equal to origin and c equal to scale. Okay, now we have to write xi minus a equal to cui. Now we can calculate the xi equal to a plus cui. We have to multiplication summation on both sides. Summation xi equal to summation a plus summation cui. Okay. Now division by n on both sides, summation xi by n, summation a, that means n term of a by n plus c constant, আমরা outside write summation ui by n, that means summation xi by n equal to x bar and n cancel, a plus c u bar. Dear students, we have to see that x bar and n bar depends on a and c, origin and scale. So we can write the arithmetic mean depends on depends on origin and scale, depends on origin and scale, origin and scale, origin and scale. Okay, dear students, you have to write next question. When arithmetic mean equal to geometric mean equal to harmonic mean, when arithmetic mean equal to number 3, question number 3. Number 3, when arithmetic mean when m equal to gm equal to hm. Answer if x values of a distribution are equal, if x value of a distribution are equal, then m equal to gm equal to hm. Suppose x1 equal to x2 equal to dot xn equal to k. So dear students, arithmetic mean equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus dot plus xn divided by n. So k plus k plus k plus dot dot plus k divided by n. Okay, so here k plus dot dot k, that means n term of k, that means nk by n, n cancel equal to k. Arithmetic mean we have to find. Next, geometric mean, gm equal to x1 into x2 into x3 dot dot xn whole to the power 1 by n. Here k into k into k into dot dot k whole to the power 1 by n. That means k to the power n whole to the power 1 by n. N cancel k. We have to find out the geometric mean is k. Now we have to calculate the harmonic mean. Hm equal to again Hm equal to n divided by 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2 plus 1 by x3 plus dot dot plus 1 by xn. Now we have to write equal to n by 1 by k plus 1 by k plus 1 by k plus dot dot plus 1 by k equal to n divided by n term of 1 by k. When n cancel, 1 into k by 1 equal to k. So m equal to gm equal to hm. Okay, dear students, now next question, if next question, for non-zero positive number, for question number 4, for non-zero positive number two positive number, non-zero two positive number, m and hm equal to gm square. Explain. Okay, let us suppose the two positive number are, let us suppose the two positive numbers are, let the two positive numbers are x1 and x2. So am equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, gm equal to root over x1 x2, hm equal to 2 by 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2. Okay, we know that left hand side m into hm equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 into 2 by x1 1 by x1 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2, or x1 plus x2 by 2, or 2 to cancel, divided by x1 x2 x2 plus x1. Okay, that means x1 plus x2 into x1 x2 by x1 plus x2. This cancel, root over x1 x2 square, that means gm square, or right hand side. Okay dear students, so m into hm equal to gm square. Okay dear students, I hope that you have understand the creative the comprehensive question. Dear students, if you face any problem, you have to find the video again and again. Okay dear students, goodbye.